Hey everyone, and welcome to Natural Language Processing with Deep Learning in Python. Guys, I am so excited to bring you this course. Out of the 15 and counting deep learning courses I've made so far, this was one of the most fun and one of the most challenging I've created yet. By the end of this course, you will be able to understand, implement, and apply some of the major deep learning algorithms that have transformed NLP in the past few years. As with all my courses, it's not just a few nice pictures and 3 lines of code and we call it a day. This will be in-depth. We will derive every algorithm from scratch, and you will implement each algorithm like a real machine learning engineer. This course will look at fundamental algorithms in deep learning for NLP, including Word2Vec developed at Google, GloVe developed at Stanford, recurrent neural networks, and recursive neural networks, which are neural networks structured as trees. This course is for anyone with more than just a passing interest in deep learning and NLP. Whether you are a student, a professional, or someone who wants to advance their career by getting into machine learning, this course is for you. If you're tired of courses that only talk about intuition but never provide any detail, this course is for you. If you believe that being able to implement algorithms is the best way to truly understand them, then this course is for you. Sign up now and get ahead of the game. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you in the next lecture.